Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is often used for baking and cleaning purposes. In this video, we are going to share a lot of information about health benefits of baking soda. We will also share how to use baking soda for heartburn, oral hygiene, reducing foot odor, exfoliating skin and scalp. So don't go anywhere, as are going to unleash the secrets about making yourself more healthier by using just one ingredient: baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is often used for baking and cleaning purposes. Some potential health benefits include relieving heartburn, aiding in digestion, and serving as a gentle exfoliant for the skin. However, it's important to use it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional before using it for any health-related purposes. Baking soda can be useful for various body parts. It's commonly used for oral hygiene as a toothpaste or mouthwash, skin care as a gentle exfoliant or bath soak, and as a remedy for insect bites or sunburns. Heartburn relief. Baking soda can act as an antacid to help alleviate heartburn and acid reflux symptoms. Oral care. It may help whiten teeth and freshen breath when used as a toothpaste or mouthwash. Bug bites and stings. Baking soda paste can provide relief from itching and discomfort. Skin irritation. It may help soothe minor skin irritations and sunburn when added to baths. Exfoliation. Baking soda can be used as a gentle exfoliant for the skin. Foot odor. It can help neutralize foot odor when used in foot soaks or shoes. Deodorant. Baking soda can be used as a natural deodorant due to its odor-absorbing properties. Household cleaner. It's an effective and natural household cleaner for various surfaces. Fruit and vegetable wash. Baking soda can help remove pesticides and dirt from produce. Laundry booster. It can enhance the cleaning power of laundry detergents. Minor burns. Baking soda paste might provide relief for minor burns. Urinary tract health. Some suggest that it can help with urinary tract health by making the urine less acidic. Digestive aid. It may help relieve gas and bloating when used with water. Exercise performance. Some athletes use baking soda to buffer lactic acid buildup during intense workouts. Rheumatoid arthritis. Limited studies suggest that it might have anti-inflammatory effects in some cases. Kidney health. Baking soda might help prevent certain kidney conditions. Cancer treatment support. In some cases, it's used to help manage the side effects of cancer treatment. Sunburn relief. Baking soda baths may offer relief for sunburned skin. Insect repellent. It can be used to deter certain pests when sprinkled in garden areas. pH balance. Baking soda may help maintain balanced pH levels in the body. Remember, while baking soda offers potential benefits, it's crucial to use it wisely and consult a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns. How to use baking soda for heartburn. Baking soda can be used as an occasional remedy for heartburn. Mix about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. However, it's important not to use this method frequently or in large amounts, as excessive consumption of baking soda can lead to health issues. If you experience frequent heartburn, it's best to consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment options. How to use baking soda for oral hygiene. Baking soda can be used for oral hygiene in a few ways. Toothpaste. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste for a gentle and effective cleaning. Be cautious not to use too much baking soda, as it can be abrasive and damage your enamel over time. Mouthwash. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash. Swish the mixture around your mouth for a minute or two and then spit it out. Teeth whitening. Baking soda can help remove surface stains and make your teeth appear whiter. Mix a small amount of baking soda with lemon juice or water to form a paste. Gently apply this paste to your teeth and leave it on for a minute before rinsing thoroughly. Freshening breath. Due to its mild abrasive properties, baking soda can help neutralize odors in your mouth. You can sprinkle a little on your toothbrush along with your regular toothpaste. Remember, while baking soda can be beneficial for oral hygiene, it should not replace regular toothpaste and should be used in moderation to avoid enamel damage. If you have sensitive teeth or any concerns, it's best to consult your dentist before using baking soda for oral care. How to use baking soda as exfoliating scrub. To create an exfoliating scrub using baking soda, you can follow these steps. Gather ingredients. You'll need baking soda, water, and optionally, a few drops of essential oil. Mixing. Start with a small amount of baking soda, about 1-2 tablespoons, in a clean bowl. Add a few drops of water at a time, mixing until you achieve a paste-like consistency. You can also add a drop or two of your chosen essential oil for fragrance. Testing. Test the mixture on a small area of your skin before applying it to your face or body. Baking soda can be abrasive, so it's important to ensure it's not too harsh for your skin. Application. Gently apply the mixture to your damp skin using circular motions. Focus on areas that need exfoliation, like the forehead, nose, and chin. Avoid the delicate skin around your eyes. Rinsing. After gently scrubbing for about 1 to 2 minutes, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure all the baking soda is removed from your skin. Moisturize. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel and apply a moisturizer to help replenish any lost moisture. Moisturize. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel and apply a moisturizer to help replenish any lost moisture. Frequency. Exfoliating too frequently can irritate your skin, so aim to exfoliate using this baking soda scrub no more than 1 to 2 times a week. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and baking soda may be too abrasive for some individuals. If you experience irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. How to use baking soda for reducing foot odor. To reduce foot odor using baking soda, follow these steps. Cleanse your feet. Start by washing your feet thoroughly with soap and water to remove any dirt and bacteria. Dry your feet. Pat your feet dry with a clean towel, ensuring they are completely dry before proceeding. Apply baking soda. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda directly onto your feet and between your toes. You can also put some inside your shoes for added freshness. Massage. Gently massage the baking soda into your feet to help distribute it evenly and allow it to absorb moisture. Leave on. Leave the baking soda on your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can do this while sitting down and relaxing. Rinse and dry. After the recommended time, rinse your feet with water to remove the baking soda. Make sure to dry your feet thoroughly once again. Moisturize. Apply a light moisturizer to your feet to prevent them from becoming too dry, as excessive dryness can also contribute to foot odor. Repeat as needed. You can repeat this process daily or a few times a week, depending on your needs and the severity of the foot odor. Remember that while baking soda can help reduce foot odor, it's also important to practice good foot hygiene. Wear clean socks made of breathable materials, and rotate your shoes to allow them to dry out between uses. If foot odor persists despite these efforts, consider consulting a healthcare professional for further advice. How to use baking soda for hair and scalp care. Baking soda can be used for hair and scalp care, but it's important to use it sparingly and with caution. Here's a basic guideline. Clarifying shampoo. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply it to wet hair, focusing on the roots. Gently massage, then rinse thoroughly. This can help remove excess buildup from products and oil. Scalp exfoliation. Make a paste with 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda and a small amount of water. Gently massage it onto your scalp to exfoliate, then rinse well. Do this occasionally to remove dead skin cells. Avoid frequent use. Baking soda can be harsh and disrupt the natural pH balance of your hair and scalp. Use it no more than once a month to prevent overdrying. Conditioning. After using baking soda, consider using a mild conditioner to restore moisture and balance to your hair. Patch test. Before using baking soda on your entire scalp, do a patch test on a small area to check for any adverse reactions. To use baking soda for balancing pH, you can follow these steps. Measure the pH. First, determine the pH level of the substance you want to adjust. You can use pH test strips or a pH meter to get an accurate reading. Calculate amount. Baking soda sodium bicarbonate is alkaline, so it can be used to raise the pH of acidic substances. To calculate the amount needed, consult a pH adjustment chart or formula specific to your substance. Generally, a small amount is added initially. Add baking soda. Slowly add the calculated amount of baking soda to the substance you're adjusting the pH of. Stir or mix thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Recheck pH. After adding the baking soda, wait for a bit to allow the pH to stabilize. Then retest the pH to see if it's within the desired range. If not, you might need to add more baking soda in smaller increments. Proceed with caution. Keep in mind that baking soda is a strong alkaline compound, so it's important to add it gradually and retest the pH frequently to avoid overshooting the desired pH level. Safety precautions. When working with baking soda, especially in larger quantities, make sure you're wearing appropriate safety gear such as gloves and eye protection. Additionally, ensure good ventilation in the area where you're working. Note: baking soda is not suitable for lowering pH, making something more acidic. It's only effective for raising the pH of acidic substances. Remember that the exact process may vary depending on the substance you're trying to adjust the pH of, so it's a good idea to research and follow specific guidelines for your particular situation. We will meet in the next video with some new information. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to see the video on. Thank you. Leave a comment below, subscribe, like, and follow for more videos.